Dex Practice Advanced comes with the insights that let you empower your team to do their best work. Just like AI needs accurate quality data, so does your team, and the practice dashboards are extremely powerful. They give you a pivot table into all the data about your clients and the team. And if you're using Data Health, it's even more powerful, with insights to support advisory and pricing your work. However, it can be a bit confusing to get started with the new dashboard, and this is where an AI agent can really help. So instead of having to learn how to use the tool, we can just ask it questions like which clients have Xero integration, and it will automatically filter the data with the right information. We can also type in our own queries. Group by the account manager and only include health scores less than 80. And there are data, if we just auto size all columns, and we can expand them too. We get all the data where we've got the account manager grouped, the health score less than 80, and we can easily export that out to CSV. Let's take a look at another agent. Imagine you have an invoice from a supplier you've never heard of before, and you're not sure how to code it or if it's even legitimate. In the past, you may have Googled it. In fact, we have a button to do so. But soon, you'll be able to research it. And this is the Dex Supplier Research Agent that will go and research that supplier. So if we start this off, you'll see that it's planning, it's searching Google, it's looking at their website and reading it, checking company's house and tax details and social information, and then it will share back with us the profile that it's established. Excellent. And here we can go to the website, we can check out what they do, what they support. So we can see that it's looked at the VAT number, it's cross-checked that with the government portals, it's also looked at company's house to see that detail. Now that may have felt slower than just Googling it, but in the future we'll have already completed the work for suppliers that are new and cross-check them for everything you do, so driving more confidence, especially with payments. Now AI can be really powerful with the right data. Now finally, let's look at Vault. It now has all the context about the business, leases, insurance, loans, certificates, licenses, everything that doesn't belong to the other spaces. It's secure, and the advanced space will allow AI to reason over it. It can help you help your clients, and it can help your clients run their business. Now remember, an agent needs tools and data to formulate a plan. We can ask it what it can do. And you can see here it's able to browse through folders and files, it can create new folders, it can rename files, it can delete them, it can move them, it can flag, and it can tag. So let's see what it can do when we ask it a question. Let's say, do we have any loans on file? And it can say yes, it's found. It'll say, how much do we owe? And it'll look at that data, read the data, and show it there. So if we go to the, if we look for that loan document, we can see the context here for the amount, the total payment, total amount owed, etc. So let's try another question. How much did we pay Daryl Day in December 2024? And now we'll look at that data, look at the payroll, and establish what we paid. Great. Let's see, is his driving license valid? And again, because we've got those licenses on file, it can look at that and it can say, yes, the driving license is valid, it was issued, this is the date, this is the expiry. And so we can say, is he insured to drive IJ 789KL, one of our vans. Now see, this will look at the insurance document, look at the drivers on that policy, and establish that he is insured to drive the vehicle with the registration vehicle.